This video demonstrates how to assemble Innovation Cabinetry's horizontal wall cabinet base. You will find the uplift hinge template referenced in this video inside cabinet packaging. Retrieve a cabinet side panel. Align the paper template for the uplift hinge along the top and side edge, opposite the panel's back channel and underneath the pre-drilled holes. Use an awl or pointed tool to create pilot holes. Reverse the template and repeat this process on the second side panel. Place both panels aside. Next, take one of the uplift hinges, position it on the side panel, and remove the outer cover. Ensure the hinge aligns with the previously marked holes in the side panel. To ensure the hinge is facing correctly, carefully extend the hinge arm. The arm should face away from the panel. Lower the arm and use a drill and prepackaged screws to secure it in place. Replace the cover on the hinge and set it aside. Repeat this process on the cabinet's second side panel. Take the cabinet door front and remove the protective cover from the back of the door. Lay the door face down on your workstation, then retrieve the hinge mounts. Place each hinge mount with the notched end to your right at opposite ends of the door. Line the openings on the hinge with the pre-drilled pilot hole. Use a drill and prepackaged screws to secure in place to the door. Next, rotate the door so the hinges are closest to you and place an adhesive bumper pad at corners. Place the door aside. Position one of the sides on your workstation, slotted edge closest to you. Retrieve the cabinet top panel and insert it dowel side down into the pre-drilled openings on the panel above the hinge. Next, insert the back panel into the channel at the rear of the top and side panels. Use a nail gun to secure the end and the back in place. Retrieve the bottom panel and insert, wooden peg down, into the pre-drilled openings while sliding the back panel into the rear channel. Place the remaining side on top of the cabinet. Secure all edges with a nail gun while occasionally using a rubber mallet to tap joints into place. To attach the cabinet door to the unit, place the cabinet on its back and extend the uplift hinge arms. Snap the hinge arms into the mounts on the door. Turn the cabinet upright and ensure the door closes flush with the unit. Adjust if necessary, using the instruction inside the packaging. Remove the protective cover from the front door. Congratulations! Your Innovation Cabinetry horizontal wall cabinet base is ready to install.